Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today's a special edition of learning how to knit. This is the Let's Knit series, and today we're going to learn how to make a slip knot. This is the very first knot you're going to start with when it comes to knitting. Let me show you how to make one. So let's get our yarn ready. So there's no knots on this thing, so you don't tie a knot before doing this particular process. So let's for example, somebody's sitting across the way from you and you're going to point. Okay, so point at them just like this, and I want you to turn your hand over like this. Okay, I don't like to talk about guns, but it looks like you're holding a gun. Okay, and that's the way that I want you to put your fingers out like this. I want you to so get your fingers like this, so just kind of hold, and I want you to grab the other strand with your fingers. Okay, so there's no magic trick to it, and I want you to pull it up over your finger, okay, and around once. Okay, do you want me to do that again? So pull it up over your finger and go around once like this. Okay, so the strand that is going to be the straggler will be in front, and the one is going to the yarn ball. Let me show you again. So coming up, go around your finger once. Now I want you to take your handle of your gun and open it up, and I want you to grab onto both strands here. Now the way that I describe it is that this is the back of my hand, and you'll see in tutorial format that I say that all the time. This is the forward of my hand. Okay, so back and forward. I want you to take this strand right here and move it up over to the forward, not off, just to the forward. So take it up over like this and hold it. Okay, now pinching the other one, I want you to take that one up and pull it over top of your finger, and that is your slip knot there. Okay, so let me show you again. So you come up, you're pointing, you're going to wrap, you're going to grab. Okay, so you're going to close your gun down on top of it, back of your hand, forward. Take the back, move it up over the forward, okay, and then take the new back one and up and over your finger completely, and that is your slip knot. So at this point you can slip in your knitting needle if you wanted to, or your crochet hook, it wouldn't matter, and that's what you'd be doing. So I'm going to show you again. So wrapping it twice, grabbing it, back, forward. So take the back one, go partially over, and then pinch the other one, go up, right up and over, and now you can insert your knitting needle just like so. So let me show you that just one last time so you can just see. So you can just pull onto it here and it'll completely match itself. So let me show you again one more time. So just wrap around through and insert your knitting needle, and then just tug. Okay, so that's how you do it. Insert. So that's how you do a slip knot. This will be the very starting of learning how to knit. So until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarn Inspirations as well as the Crochet Crowd with a special edition of Let's Knit.